The secret techniques of the full wrap briefcase handle have been closely guarded by elite London briefcase makers for over 100 years. But this video is about to change everything, because I'll reveal the pinnacle of traditional handle making techniques in this new course. Expect to discover what leather to choose, alternative options, and what hardware I recommend, so you'll be able to make your handle regardless of what you have access to. How to use the included PDF pattern to ensure perfect accuracy, so you can be sure you avoid making any costly mistakes. I'll even share one unusual trick to make sure you avoid wonky stitching, so your handle looks sleek and professional. To discover more about this course and dozens of other leathercraft projects you can do at home, visit leathercraftmasterclass.com or tap the link in bio. Hi, my name is Philip, and this is the Leathercraft Masterclass.